Good morning, very warm welcome. Lovely sunny day in Sapa. We've got a bit of a make it up as you go along day today. We've just come out of the hotel and there's a cafe underneath which we used last night. We're having breakfast there, but I just looked down the street and there's this amazing complex, old colonial style buildings, French influence I guess, with all the shutters and everything. Newer block here on the right hand side, and then we've got this magnificent mural. I don't know what exactly it is depicting, but some sort of works going on there I think, and the lady in the background with an umbrella, sun shading. Yeah, isn't it nice? So as I say, we're having a make it up as you go along there, because there could be some rain forecast. The rain's been really good to us here in Sapa. We haven't had any rain during the day, so now I've said that, it'll probably be the very first day that it rains during the day. So what, 6th day in Sapa, yeah, and really enjoying it. Just looking above there, it's just everywhere you look, something to look at. And down the street a piece. Lovely street scene. So, I don't know if you can make it out, Sandy's right down there at the bench. So, we were going to go to the market first of all, get this larger suitcase so you can buy a few more clothes, but we're going to save that. We're going to go, I think, to a place called Mona Sapa, and it's some extreme Instagram photo location place. I've seen a few videos about it. So we'll go there while the sun is sort of, well, it's half out, I say that, it's cloudying up a bit now, so we'll see how we go after breakfast. We'll go and get some photos of ourselves, some selfies. We'll act like youngsters. Anyway, oh, we've got a lady here. Yeah, come in, do shopping. No, I've just been talking to a lady up there. I said we bought a nice bag.
I said I've got three. I've got
three bags, yeah.
3 bags.
No more shopping now. No, not from you. Oh, lantern cover. Yeah, they are nice. Yeah. But where would you put that?
Garden.
That'd get wrecked outside.
We put it in, it's winter.
Yeah. It's good that you can pack them in a suitcase easy. So she says they are, you just sit half it. Ah, yeah. How much are these? How much? 200.
200?
Is that what you say?
I saw some people one, so 200.
3?
200 for one.
200?
Yeah.
Okay. And these? Same?
Yeah.
200. Oh, that's up to you, man. That's
you bet
£5.20, so nice to say. Did you really want one or do you don't want one?
I do like it, yeah.
Oh, you could look at the others. Which is your best pattern? Oh, lovely colours. They're a bit heavy on the purple, aren't they?
Yeah, that one's
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, do you like the green ones, nice?
Oh, that's well for a garden.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too garish, I think. But 100, I'd say. 100?
200.
No.
You bet 300.
Ah, right, yeah.
You buy 2 for
No,
300.
only want one.
Yeah.
100.
No.
Ah, okay then. Okay.
150.
Yeah. Don't worry, no worry. Maybe another day.
No, not the
Yeah. Okay. No, she got a bag. Got a bag.
I've got 3 bags.
All these ladies are all really pleasant. They're nice to chat to and everything. And
This 100, this 100. 150.
No.
I saw some people 200. I saw you cheaper.
No. No, just one.
One? Okay. You can only pay a container.
Yeah. No. Top price. Best price. 100. 100.
Okay, 160.
No.
No.
No. Like almost like a tie-dye thing, isn't it? No, no, no. No, it's okay. No, no, thank you. No, no. No, I don't want a scarf. Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. No, you put it back in your bag. Little bit more. No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, 200.
You're going back up. Whoa.
Okay, 120. Okay.
No.
You can a little bit. I gone down. I think 200. I gone down. You
No,
go a little bit.
I gone up. I really 50.
No.
50, and I've gone up to 100.
No.
Yeah.
I say
Yeah.
300. I gone down.
Well,
150, you know. You think.
I say 50. I say 50, and I will come up to 100.
150.
Yeah, 100. I will pay.
Okay, ma. You bet 200.
No.
That's one each. Yeah.
Good. The brill out there.
Okay, you bet.
300.
500.
Oh.
No. Finish.
7 for 500. No, I don't think so. We
And
don't.
give that for you.
No.
And give back for you
7 now for 500. Oh dear.
500. And give one piece for you.
What are them little things on? Like ribbons?
One piece 100. 500.
Yeah.
Free.
Look at that for 500 there. No, you just take 100. 100 for one.
500 for
No, I don't want all those. No, I don't want them. I want a small garden. Small garden. So.
500. I thought you got how much clothing for you.
I don't
You
want
bet
that.
something
What
for 200.
Not for a man. No.
500.
No. Take yours out. Take yours out. Make sure you get the right one. Is it that one? Was it that one?
Yeah.
Be sure you got the right one.
Yeah,
This one,
that one.
Let's get the money out.
200 ma. Ready. This one.
Can you hold that there?
500 unit. No, okay.
It's
ha.
4 million.
2, 3.
She's got. I'm not just giving you one. I'm giving you 2. I'm giving you 5, 6.
500 unit. Very cheap.
Very cheap.
Yeah, very cheap. You buy 5. Finish.
Yeah.
He's working his money out.
Oh, you have money. Money.
Money.
Yeah, you get money.
500. And they'll give her that as a 50. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice lady.
500.
I don't know if I've got any bits. Have you got any bits?
Finish.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find 100, but they're all 10s.
5,000, 2,000,
Yeah.
1,000. So.
Yeah. Have you got 1,000? 100,000?
I have got a club.
Very long money. Okay, you give 200, I change for you. 200 here.
Where?
200 and she'll change it.
Where?
200
200.
here.
Ah,
Yeah.
you can give me 100.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Okay. Yeah.
You make 2.
No.
For me?
No, thank you. No, thank you, ma'am.
One for me, I'm happy.
I know. You'll be happy,
I'm
but
happy paying 100.
I don't want one. Only want one.
No for me.
This lady's worked really hard.
This one?
No.
Okay, one for me.
Okay, 2 ma. 200.
No. You were a tryer.
Okay, 2. 2. 200.
100.
200.
100.
200.
No.
2 ma.
Come on. Thank you.
One for me too.
You deserve every sale that you get.
Well done.
You do. Well done. Yeah.
So very cheap for you.
Yeah.
500, you know, okay.
No.
Say 300.
300.
No.
Oh.
400.
No. Wow, that's cheap. Yeah, very cheap.
there's 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 400.
No. Don't want five. We don't want. You don't want five hanging up, do you?
It's amazing you helping me.
Make sure we. That's the one you
that's
bought.
the
Put
one I
that one there. Yeah. No. No, thank you. No.
Finish this one. Music.
What whistle?
Music.
Music.
Yeah, I try.
What?
Music.
Oh, it's like a. Hello.
Ooh, I like them. I wanted one of them, but
I would say
thank you.
no more
So
than.
you latte?
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Yes.
How much?
What is one basically?
What?
300.
300?
Eh? You're joking?
No, thank you. No, 50.
No. No.
joking.
20.
I'm oh,
20. 20.
I tell you. 20 this one. 20.
That 20.
Yeah.
No. That 5.
No.
5.
I do like them though.
Five.
I want them.
This one.
No.
You're saying 200. You go down.
Yeah.
You say 100. I say 300. You say 20. Oh, you know you ma.
She's saying you say, she says 300, you say 20.
Yeah.
Yeah. No more.
Not naughty man.
No you ma. You say 20. I know pay no one water.
How many?
20.
10.
20.
10.
20.
20.
Yeah.
That's 5.
No fair.
5.
You are fair. You sell me.
He's got to buy it. Got
What?
to talk to him.
That 20. Yeah.
$20.
Well, 5.
Look at my wood.
5.
Okay.
We go up to 20. We go up to 20.
$20.
Hmm?
$20.
$20.
$20?
You say $20?
Oh,
Okay, $20.
you're a very clever lady.
You say $20.
So no. 20 dong. 20 dong.
$20. I pay no one water. Water thing. I have no saying. No have lunch.
Oh, she's
We just give her some money.
You see this one?
Yeah.
How to pay make it long time.
Not lunchtime yet.
This one make it ding 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 village. Within
Yeah.
hall.
Yeah. No.
You thấy gì mà.
How many sell?
No, I don't like that one. No.
Không you pay là.
If we get
You pay free already. You pay one for me.
how many little girls have we got?
We've got 4.
So you chicken
Thank,
panini?
yeah, thank you.
Panini, yes.
So that's the cheese
Yeah.
panini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
you. How many girls?
4, we've got 4 girls.
What about the other
I
two?
don't think there's one.
One there? No.
Brilliant.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No.
Yungi how much?
So, no. You go find a better customer. You
Me.
go find a better customer somewhere. Him, there.
What?
Him, bye.
Không you shopping.
Let's talk to boss.
What?
Không you toss. He.
I mean, hey,
She he pay.
cheeky. Me number 1. She number 2.
She not pay. You found no bluffing. You found bluffing with Sapa.
Give him a slap.
Go. You stay
Yeah.
here. He go home and you stay here.
Ah,
Found to no to bluffing có linh thư.
yeah. We go to your village.
Yeah. Are you going to get one there?
Oh, thank you.
Cheapest
Thank you.
price. Cheapest.
Best price.
Cheapest price.
You say $10. Okay, very cheaper. 200. No more.
Thank you very much.
No more 20.
No more.
$15.
No less than 200.
What?
Sure.
Is that how much they are?
She can't say. These ladies can't do a lady out of the business.
Có hại à?
Hay à,
So you buy the new thing?
ít lầu ở
I say you want to buy music?
Music. Yeah.
Thế là
Yeah, yeah. She say 200.
200.
Too high, too high.
Too high.
Because here I see a lot of local selling anywhere here.
Yeah.
That also selling like 200,
Yeah.
sometimes 250.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
180 like that.
Okay. Yeah. No, too much. We don't want to pay that much. No. No. We bought this. We got this.
One more. I told you, you say, oh, I want cafe, I want cafe, I want cafe, I finish bar.
Yeah.
Nè, you pay people.
We finished shopping. We have our breakfast now.
We bought a nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
I go down, you got only pay 200, okay?
No, it's too much. It's too much, isn't it?
Not too much.
Yeah.
Can you please to this one?
In
was 500.
in England, only 100.
No, no more. Never. Never more, no more 100.
Yeah. Okay.
You joking.
Yeah. Okay. You tried. We tried. But thank you.
You very rich, you're not helping me.
Thank you. We give you money.
Is that finished?
You can go get your lunch.
Oh, basic.
Go get your lunch, you know. No, thank you. No. Can we eat our dinner, our breakfast now? Yeah.
Yeah, you
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No, ma'am. No. You go get better customer.
You have
No.